What would it be like to be among dinosaurs? Would they evolve? If yes, then how would they look like? Could humans and dinosaurs actually coexist? Only if the asteroid would have fallen a bit earlier or a bit later. The meteor had a diameter of approximately 15 kilometers, which is almost the size of 155 football fields. The asteroid hit the shallow waters of Yucatan Peninsula. If it would have fallen somewhere in the deeper parts of the ocean, we would have been living in a totally different world right now. The deep waters would have absorbed the shock of the asteroid, avoiding the blast. Almost 75% of all species went extinct after this incident. What if dinosaurs survived this extinction? What would happen then? Evolution is a gradual development of any organism depending upon the nature. If the dinosaurs would have survived the KT mass extinction, then they would have gradually evolved smaller in size. Why? That is because trees and plants after the incident grew smaller in size and had less nutrients. The animals that survived the extinction lived underground, which means they were small in size as well. The temperature rose up to 10 degrees hotter than the temperature we have today. As there was significant growth of rainforests, the herbivores would have survived. Some 18 million years after that, Pangaea split, creating huge grasslands, forests, icelands, etc. The presence of huge grasslands would have increased the agility of dinosaurs. This would create danger for the mammals to survive, as they would be prey for the dinosaurs. Remember, evolution of humans was possible because of huge grasslands. As monkeys and apes used to live on trees, the huge grasslands made the apes come down for grains and sprouts. Gradually, this made the apes to settle on the ground, and the try towards getting food from huge trees helped the vertebrate column to be straight. But would humans ever evolve if hungry dinosaurs were roaming on these grasslands? Humans have lived among woolly mammoth and saber-toothed cats during the Ice Age. Surviving the Ice Age would be difficult for many species. There are a lot of species who have survived till now and are among us since the dinosaur age, like crocodiles, snakes, lobsters, and platypus. But if dinosaurs managed to survive all these years, they would have a different sanctuary where they would be protected and out of human reach. There would be a lot of scientists researching and studying on these animals and how they would evolve further. Talking about dinosaurs, my favorite is this guy, the mighty T-Rex. If you guys have one favorite too, do not forget to share it in the comments below, and do not forget to share your opinion on this particular topic. If you like my video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next Sunday. Thank you.